Relax in comfort with the durable folding camping cot, perfect for camping, road trips, and outdoor use. Wake up refreshed on the folding camping cot, designed for ultimate comfort amidst scenic outdoor adventures. Enjoy a peaceful afternoon with the folding camping cot, perfect for lounging, reading, and relaxing under the open sky. Setting up the folding camping cot is effortless. Its easy folding design requires no assembly, so you're ready to relax in seconds. From sandy beaches to your living room, this folding camping cot adapts effortlessly to every scene, offering comfort anywhere life takes you. Measuring 75 by 27 by 19 inches, this cot supports up to 450 pounds and folds to a compact 40 by 10 inch. Weighs only 15 pounds. Experience unmatched stability with 10 support points and a 1-inch solid square tube frame for durability. Adventure meets comfort. Gear up with quality, durability, and innovation for your outdoor journeys. Start exploring today at CampQuestOutfitters.com.